क्रेजेड है। On his eyes red and live. Okay, listen, I have to tell you something insane. मतलब जेन्युइनली स्टोरी इतना क्रेजी है कि जब भी मैं ये स्टोरी के बारे में सोचता हूँ मेरे हाथ पूरा ठंडे पड़ जाते हैं। So this happened back in 2023 when my older brothers and his 3 friends decided to 7-day trip to Himachal. Typical boys trip, full masti, exploring all that. They were staying in this hotel. Normal look from outside, nothing special, but inside the vibe was a little off. That type of place जहाँ पे silence बहुत ज़्यादा. They were all placed in a one single room, and obviously they were uncomfortable. I mean 4 boys in one small room. So they went to the hotel staff and asked if they can shift to the front room, जो उनके रूम के बिल्कुल सामने था. That's when the staff member casually said, सर वो रूम हॉन्टेड है, हम लोग उस रूम को अलाउ नहीं करती. लाइक इमेजिन हियरिंग दैट आउट ऑफ नाउ वेयर. माय ब्रदर एंड हिज फ्रेंड लिटरली लाफ. दे थॉट इट वाज सम रैंडम होटल सुपरस्टिशन. दे वेंट टू द मैनेजर. सेम स्टोरी. मैनेजर लिटरली सेड रूम खाली है पर हम किसी को देते नहीं. बट सिंस एवरी अदर रूम वाज बुक्ड एंड बॉयज आर बॉयज, ईगो आ गया एंड दे वांटेड टू प्रूव दैट कि कोई भूत नहीं होता. And finally they convinced the staff and the manager and shifted into the so-called haunted room. And the first 3 days nothing, बिल्कुल normal ही चल रहा था. They were partying, chilling, roaming, having fun. It became a joke for them. Haunted room until day 4. This is where everything flipped. That night they have a small party in the room. The haunted room. Light dim, music raw and सब थोड़ा सा drunk. Around 2 a.m. one of my brother's friend suddenly wake up. He didn't know why, just feel uneasy. You know that feelings. Someone is staring at you, but you don't see them. He opened his eyes and right in front of him on the wall he saw a shadow. Not a normal shadow. Not the type you see when a light flickers, but like a dark human shadow. Unnaturally still. At first he thought, I am drunk, I am imagining the star. But then, slowly, smoothly, almost like it was floating, his heart dropped. He blinked twice, and now the shadow was not on the wall. It was away from the wall, coming into the room. He panicked. Wake up, the others. Everyone sat up, confused, half asleep. And that's when they all saw it. A woman, not standing, not walking, but crawling in the air. Her body shaped tilted like she was floating horizontally. Only her face was visible. Tail stretched eye जैसे कोई बिना पल के झपकाए घूर घूर के देख रहा है. Her hair was just hanging, but not naturally. जैसे बिल्कुल पानी में होता है वैसे हिल रहा था. They froze, all 4 of them, for 4 minutes. Nobody even blinked, and the woman kept coming closer. You know that sound when something dragged lightly on the floor. They said they hear something similar, but there was nothing touching the ground. Suddenly, one of my brother friends, he just screamed, not normal screaming, pura panic. Then the entire floor wake up. People run outside. Light came on, and when everyone entered the room, there was nothing, no shadow, no woman. And nothing. But the boys were shaking so badly कि they could not even speak properly. उसी रात 2 बजे they packed everything and left the hotel. Did not wait for morning. Did not sleep. They did not even look back. They shifted to another hotel, but the whole vibe was wrong. The next day, they caught their trip short and came back home. After coming, my brother changed. He became quiet, silent, lost. ऐसे जैसे कुछ अंदर से टूट गया हो. Whenever someone mentioned Himachal or that room, he could start crying and genuinely saying, like they feel like वो आज भी मेरे पास है. मैं आंखें बंद कर लेता हूँ तो उसका चेहरा दिख जाता है. We took him into a psychiatrist. Doctor said it's trauma, severe shock. Like his mind did not forget what he saw. We even went to a sadhu. उन्होंने बोला कि लिटरली कि वो औरत तुम्हारे भाई के साथ अटैच्ड हो गई पर वो इसे कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाई. Later we found out that room belonged to a woman who had ended her life because of a toxic relationship. Locals say she still roams that corridor and still today. When anyone talk about that night, my brother tears up and says, I got a new life. भगवान ने मुझे बचा लिया. That's how this trauma was. अगर आपने भी कहीं ऐसे हॉन्टेड सीन देखा है या फील किया है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिए. थैंक यू.